Plant FAQs. Hosta Great Expectations. A gardener's patience rewarded. The allure of Hosta Great Expectations. For every gardener, there are plants that ignite a spark, varieties that whisper promises of beauty just beyond the horizon. For me, that plant is the aptly named Hosta Great Expectations. This captivating shade dweller isn't just about the stunning foliage. It's a testament to the rewards of patience in the garden. See more 31 species in genus Hosta at monsteraholic.com. The first thing that grabs your attention with Hosta Great Expectations is the mesmerizing play of colors on its broad, puckered leaves. The center unfurls a vibrant chartreuse in spring, gradually mellowing to a warm yellow, then a creamy white as the season progresses. This captivating transition is framed by a wide, irregular margin of cool blue-green, creating a dynamic contrast that draws the eye. But Great Expectations isn't just a fleeting spring spectacle. Its thick, textured leaves hold their form throughout the season, adding a touch of elegance to shady corners long after other plants have faded. How big is Hosta Great Expectations? While the wait for its full potential might be a test of patience, the mature size of Hosta Great Expectations is certainly worth it. This slow-growing cultivar can reach a mature height of 18 to 24 inches, with a spread of up to 3 feet. Its imposing presence makes it a perfect choice for adding structure and definition to shade borders or as a stunning focal point in container plantings. Beyond the beauty, practical perks of Great Expectations. The allure of Hosta Great Expectations goes beyond its visual charm. This resilient cultivar boasts several practical benefits that make it a valuable addition to any shade garden. Slug resistance. Those slimy, garden-munching pests can be a real nuisance for Hosta lovers. Thankfully, Great Expectations offers a natural defense. The thick, puckered texture of its leaves makes them less palatable to slugs, offering a sigh of relief for frustrated gardeners. Low maintenance. Once established, Great Expectations is a low-maintenance delight. Its slow growth habit means less frequent dividing is required, and its tolerance for moderate shade allows it to thrive in areas where many other plants struggle. What to plant with Hosta Great Expectations? The beauty of Hosta Great Expectations lies not just in its individual splendor, but also in its ability to create harmonious partnerships with other shade-loving plants. Here are a few ideas to inspire your shade garden design. Ferns. The delicate fronds of ferns provide a textural contrast to the bold foliage of Great Expectations. Opt for varieties like Japanese painted fern or maidenhair fern for a touch of elegance. Heuchera. Coral bells. The vibrant foliage of Heuchera in shades of burgundy, purple, or even lime green creates a stunning color combination next to Great Expectations. Spring bulbs. Early bloomers like tulips or daffodils can add a burst of color before the Hosta takes center stage. How to care for Hosta Great Expectations. The key to unlocking the full potential of Hosta Great Expectations lies in providing the right environment and care. Here's what you need to know. Light. While it tolerates moderate shade, Great Expectations thrives in areas with dappled sunlight for a few hours each day. Avoid full sun, which can scorch the leaves. Soil. Moist, well-drained soil rich in organic matter is ideal. Amend your planting area with compost or aged manure to ensure optimal growing conditions. Watering. Consistent moisture is crucial, especially during hot summer months. Water deeply at the base of the plant when the top inch of soil feels dry. Feeding. While not strictly necessary, a light application of balanced fertilizer in early spring can give your Great Expectations a boost. How to propagate Hosta Great Expectations. The good news is that the beauty of Hosta Great Expectations can be shared. This variety can be easily propagated through division in early spring or fall. Here's a simplified approach. Carefully dig up the mature clump with a garden fork. Use a sharp knife to gently separate the plant into sections, each with at least a few eyes or buds. Replant the divisions in prepared soil, water well, and provide shade until established. Conclusion. A treasured addition to the shade garden. Hosta Great Expectations is more than just a plant. It's a testament to the rewards of patience in gardening. While its slow growth might test your resolve, the captivating foliage and easy care nature make it a treasure for any shade garden. So, if you're looking for a plant that offers a promise of beauty that unfolds over time, Look no further than the captivating Hosta Great Expectations.